My name is Mike Levitt. I've been making cardboard shoes for years, but I only started making tutorials last year. This Air Jordan is one that a lot of people have asked about. This is how I made my cardboard Air Jordan, and now I'm going to show you how to make yours. It's pretty complicated, so we're going to take this one step at a time. My videos are free to watch, but they are complemented by templates and how-to books that I have available on my website. The first step is to cut out all the pieces you need to build this shoe. My template is the perfect guide for this. I highly recommend it. You'll need about 2 or 3 medium-sized boxes worth of recycled cardboard to make an Air Jordan. Be sure to cut out all 9 layers to build your sole. Once you've got all your pieces cut out, the next step is to assemble the sole. Already we'll hit a tricky spot right here at the beginning. The Jordan sole is made up of 9 layers of cardboard. 2 of these layers have a section missing between the heel and ball of the foot. These will make the quote-unquote air bubble. The other 7 full layers go above and below the air bubble, 3 on top, 4 on the bottom. So now that you've got your 9 sole layers cut out and arranged, liberally apply glue between all layers and press them together. Now it's time to shape and condition your shoe body. Bend all the glue tabs inward. Curve and bend the shoe body around the back of your heel to form the right shape. You can also rub your cut out shoe body over the edge of the table to curve and soften it into shape. With your shoe body cut out and shaped, it's time to glue it to the insole. You should have cut out one sole piece slightly smaller than your other layers to create an insole. Apply glue to the inside of the shoe body glue tabs and to the bottom of the insole following the glue reference marks. Wait for the glue to get tacky. Align the shoe body on the back of the insole. Start at one end of the shoe body and press the glue tabs into place and work your way to the other side. The shoe body should be centered on the back of the insole. And from the inside of the shoe, press the glue tabs flat on a tabletop. You really should use my template and how-to book. They're at my website. I'm making these videos to show some detail, but I'm also making the videos to go with the book and the template. There's a lot of tips and tricks in there. In the next part of the video, we will start assembling the toe and more of the shoe body.